Hello and good morning, dears. I hope you all are doing good. The Hindu doesn't come on Sunday, so I thought we should start common errors to maintain our regularity. So, this is the pattern in which we are going to study. The first we will have question based on noun, then we have grammatically errors, then we will discuss the question, and at last the grammatically rule. For every question, you will have 5 seconds. Try to solve it. So let's begin. The first question we have, the Ashoka was a wise and cruel king. Take this part as A, B, C and D as no error. Try to solve it at first, then I'll answer. And the error is in part A. What is the error? Just remove the to correct the answer. And the rules is proper nouns do not take articles. See, if you are a beginner, you must write question, answer and the rules. But if you have studied the grammars, you just watch the video again and again to keep the rules in your mind. And you don't worry, I'll provide a PDF soon. Second, we have the Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and the error is in part first, that is the. See, Mumbai is a proper noun, and proper noun doesn't take articles. Articles are a, an, and the. These are the articles. The next, the Times of India is a leading newspaper, and the answer is D. There is no error in this question because the is used in two forms. The first is in general form and the second is in a specific form. General form we have to memorize it in the article chapter. See, the Times of India is a newspaper name, and with newspaper names we can use article the. The fourth question we have, Ramayana is one of the greatest epic of the world, and the error is in part A. Ramayana is an epic and the article the is used with epics or religious book. So the correction is used the Ramayana instead of Ramayana. Question number 5. The earth moves around the sun, and the answer is no error. See, earth and sun are the body of space, and article the is used with aerial objects, that means Akashiya Pind. Now question number 6. Economic is an interesting subject, and the answer is, that means error in part A. See, we have to use economics instead of economic. See, there are some words which ends with s, and these are similar in number, and the words are like mathematics, economics, politics and physics. The question number 7th. Cattle is grazing in the field, and the error is in part A, that is. Cattle is a plural word, and as we know, with plural noun we use plural verb, that means we have to use are instead of is. We have some words which seems singular but actually they are in plural, and the words are public, people, children, cattle, etc. Question number 8. Police has arrested the thieves. And the error is in part A, and that is has. We have to use have instead of has, because we have studies, we have some words that seems singular but they are plural in actual, and the words are cattle, police, public, children, etc. Question number 9. A committee of 10 persons were constituted, and the error is in part C, that is were. We have to use was instead of were, and the rule is the committee is a collective noun, and when collective nouns shows unity or same opinion, then it is used as singular, but when they separate or you may say have different opinions, then they are used as plural and we use plural verb with it. But here this word committee shows unity, so that we have to use was. Question number 10, we have a troop of monkeys have eaten all the mangoes of my orchard, and the error is in part B, that is have. We have to use has instead of have. After these types of word we use plural noun, but this shows a single group or unity, so that we use has after it.